Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install RStudio on Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So first here, in Google search box, write there RStudio. Then you can go on this posit.co RStudio desktop. You need to go there. So after when you move this and now scroll down. Here you can see install or so if you follow this step here, you can get or this version and this here download RStudio desktop for Windows. And if you scroll down here you can get different RStudio Windows 10 11 64-bit operating system, that's for this is the executable file, and this is Mac Ubuntu operating system that you can get for. So let's simply click there download RStudio. So now here you can see the file is or downloading RStudio 2024 9, and this here executable file, the size is 251 MB. So this is now downloading, and if I go into this and right there R, then you can get this all those things. That means R is already installed in my system. So first you need to download and install the R. Then you can use the RStudio. So this RStudio, now the next is you need to double click on this executable file. And here you can see RStudio, this verified publisher. So let's click on yes button, and installation wizard that's come there, click on next. So this is the destination folder, click on install, and now this installing, extracting RStudio executable file. So details here, RStudio is now currently installing. And here please wait while RStudio is being installed. Now you can see here RStudio setup that's completed, click on finish. Then in search box right there RStudio. So you can see RStudio app that's come there, you need to click. So here use the machine default, automatically this taken there or at the path. So let's click on OK. And this is the editor of our studio. It's now currently opening. So here you can see this our version this detected there, and this all those things. So if I write 7 that's come 9 plus 7 16, and with this you can write any kind of R coding there. Here so many plot kind of things are available: session, build, debug, and here code option, this. So this all you can get there. Okay, so this here are selected. So if I select Python, you can also select. So viewing the object, let's click on yes button. So this is now installing some libraries inside the Python. After that, you can work on the Python programming inside the RStudio. Okay. So this is now currently some download is going on for Python. So this done here, I think. And here you can see, would you like to create default Python? Let's click yes. And now here, so this Python executable file that's come there. this number of download that has done. And here, if you want, then you can print the hello world. So here, print, then helping content that's come there. Let's write hello world. Okay, and here, this is selected Python. You can also change this to R, and this is how we can use there. Uh, so this is how we can use there. So if I write this place R, then you can get here R inside this terminal. So this is how we can install this RStudio inside the Windows 10.